Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up LENOVO AIO for the first time. And to do this, first thing is to choose the language. In this case, let's go for English and click yes. Then you can select your region. Let's go with United States. Then the keyboard layout, let's go with, actually, let's change it. I want Polish programmers. Want to add a second keyboard layout, you can do it, I'm gonna skip it. Here connect yourself to the Wi-Fi network. If you don't want it, you can click I don't have internet. I have, so let's do that. Here you can read the license agreement with Windows 10, and then if you want to use it, you will need to click on accept. How would you like to set up your device? Set up for personal use or for organization? I'm going with personal use. Then we can log into the Microsoft account if you want, and it's also possible to skip it with offline account. Sign in to enjoy the full range of Microsoft apps and services, and here if you want that, click on next, and if you don't, click on limited experience. You can name your user that will be using this device, or use the online account if you want. I'm gonna name it and click next. Create a password for your account and make sure to remember it as well. If you leave it empty, there won't be any password, so let's do that. Here choose privacy settings for your device, accept to any of this. Also make sure to read it before accepting and click on accept. Let's customize your experience. You can select your preferred actions for this PC, like gaming, entertainment, school, family, business, or creativity, and skip. Let's skip that. Enable or disable Cortana, not now. You can do it, of course, if you like. And now your Windows is ready and the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.